Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperacoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Pandas is a Python module that builds on top of NumPy. If you want to learn more about NumPy, I have a series of videos about it, so you can watch them if you like. Anyway, Pandas is used to deal with data in a comfortable way. Many of its features and operations should quickly become familiar to you if you use some database programs or spreadsheets. With Pandas, you can manipulate structured data, which can be easily labeled. The first thing you need to do is to install Pandas. If you have the Anaconda distribution of Python, you already have Pandas. Otherwise, you have to install it. When you install Pandas, NumPy must also be installed on your computer. You can find detailed instructions on this website, pandas.pydata.org/gettingstarted.html. I'm not going to repeat them here because you can always find the up-to-date information on the official Pandas website. In this Pandas series, I'll be using Jupyter Notebook as my working environment. So, with Pandas installed, you can check the version of the package. Make sure to import it first. Just like with NumPy, we usually use an alias for Pandas. So, import Pandas as PD. And now let's check the version. pd.__version__. Control Enter to run this. And here we get the version of Pandas installed on my machine. Before we dive deeper into the Pandas module, just a quick reminder. If you're using Jupyter Notebook to type your code, you can leverage the built-in documentation. You can use the tab completion feature to scan the whole namespace. To do that, just type pd dot and then hit tab. This will display everything that is available in the namespace. You can also get detailed help on any class or method included in the module by typing the question mark symbol and running the code. For example, if you want to read the documentation on the Pandas series class, all you have to do is type pd.series and run the code. So Control Enter. And here you can see detailed information on this class. In the next part of this Pandas series, we'll have a look at the series class I just mentioned. It's one of the three fundamental Pandas data structures. The other two are data frame and index. They will be discussed in the following parts. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.